Guys, before we start, please make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make when checking fuses, relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Very quick and helpful video for any of you trying to find where fuses, relays for the low beams and the high beams headlights are located on Volkswagen Tiguan first generation. Guys, please do not waste any money on parts, tools and diagnostics if you have problems with your headlights until you watch that video. It could be simple fix. And after that, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, we will guys share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff. Now, guys, that generation Volkswagen Tiguan will have many hidden fuses. Fuse boxes, different fuses, mega fuses, relays that are not accessible. That's why, guys, we made one special video that's called Volkswagen Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Check it out, it will be on our website. Now, guys, we will be making video about every single fuse, every single relay in that car. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch for a minute or two, replace the fuse, you're back on the road. Our mission is to save you money, guys. That's why we made more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Oh, and by the way, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, check out, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, guys, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. For the low beam and the high beam headlights, which fuses, relays we need to check. Most people know about one fuse box in that Volkswagen Tiguan that's easy to get to, and once you open the hood facing the engine on the right side, on the driver's side, that's the fuse box. Guys, the main fuses for the low high beams headlights are not here. You wonder where they are. Welcome here on the inside, on the driver's side, next to the steering wheel. Here we have a hidden fuse box. Now, if you want to see how to get to it, we have a video that's called Volkswagen Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out. It can show you all the hidden fuse boxes in your car, relays and all that stuff. Information that can save you a lot of money. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, now let's talk about common mistakes people make. When people see a fuse, okay, let's say they pull a fuse and they try to check it out, okay? They look at that fuse, okay, and they assume, okay, it's good, it's bad, but sometimes you cannot clearly tell if a fuse is good or bad. And you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, you start wasting money on parts, tools, diagnostics, module, and you go to repair shops for something that could have been quite easy fixed, such as a bad fuse. So always test your fuses, quite easy, guys. By the way, if you want to see, we have a special video on the channel how to test a fuse, but it's quite simple and often, okay, you can actually even test fuses without removing them to figure out, guys, okay, if these fuses are good or bad. For instance, mega fuses, there is no way that you can check if the fuse is good or bad. The only way is to test them, guys, to find out, okay, if these fuses are good or bad as well. Very important. Now, if you want to see how to test a fuse, detailed video how to test a relay, we have special videos about that, and we'll share the information in the description of the video below. So guys, if you focus, you can see right here you have numbers even next to the little fuses, which are really hard to read, but that's 1 through 8. And the big fuses, the numbers are right above the fuse there as well. So the first fuse that we need to check is fuse number 12. So fuse number 12, okay, some models will have, that's 9, 10, 11, 12 right here. You may have a fuse. If you have a fuse, check it out. Another fuse that you need to check is fuse number 16. Depending whether you have HID headlights or none, you may or may not have these ones. You need to check fuse number 15. It's very important fuse right here. Okay, now again, you may have all of the fuses, you may have some depending on which headlight option you have. And you need to check fuse number 23. It's that fuse right here. So this one, this one, this one, and number 12 right here will be the fuses that you will guys need to check for the headlights on your Volkswagen Tiguan. Now, specifically you don't have a relay for the headlights, but check the relays, guys. You have some hidden relays. If you don't know where they're located, we have the Volkswagen Tiguan relay diagram and location video. Check it out. You may want to check terminal 15 terminal 15 relays if you have problems with the headlights not working as well, but you don't have specifically dedicated relay. You have a headlight cleaning relay, which is known as relay number 6. It's a relay that's behind the dash. Okay, this is the pack of relays. That's the diagram. Number 6 will be that relay right here, but that's if you have the headlight cleaning system. Otherwise, you don't have specifically dedicated relay for the headlights. As you saw, guys, okay, this Volkswagen Tiguan has all kind of different fuses, mega fuses, standard fuses, mini fuses inside the car. You have different relays, mega fuse packs, all that stuff. If you want to see where you can buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out. Our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. We'll have video about every single fuse relay in that car. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.